Hello, welcome to my channel. The question is exponential question 625 raised to the power x minus 5 raised to the power 2x over 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to 624. We have uh, we have to calculate the x. Now solution: 6x minus 5 raised to the power 2x over 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to 624. Now we break these two. 625 when we factorize with 5, 1 2 5 5 25 5 5 5 1. Therefore here this is equal to 5 1 2 3 4 5 raised to the power 4, and there is x, 5 raised to the power 4x over 5 raised to the power 2x minus 5 raised to the power 2x over 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to 624. Now it is equal to 5. These two terms are cancelled. 5 raised to the power 4x. These two bases are similar and they are dividing. Therefore, their powers are subtracted. Minus 1 is equal to 624. 5 raised to the power 2x minus 1 is equal to 624. 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to 624. There is minus 1, changes into plus 1. 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to 6 raised to the power 25. Now 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to 625 is equal to 5 raised to the power 4. Here 625 is equal to 5, 5, 5 and 5. When bases are equal, then the powers becomes equal. Then 2x is equal to 4. Bases are same, then their powers are equal. X is equal to 4 by 2. X is equal to 2. Now verification. 625 square minus 5, 2 into 2 over 5, 2 into 2 is equal to 624. Then is equal to 5 5 raised to the power 4 into 2 minus 5 raised to the power 4 over 5 raised to the power 4 is equal to 624. Now this is equal to 5 raised to the power 8 over 5 raised to the power 4 minus 5 raised to the power 4 over 5 raised to the power 4 is equal to 624. Now 5 raised to the power 8 minus 4 is minus 1 is equal to 625. 5 raised to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 624. 625 minus 1 is equal to 624. Now this is equal to 624 is equal to 624. Therefore our solution x is equal to 2 is verified.